Theme, handling data. Unit, branching out. For this unit we're going to use Tizzy's first tools, and we're going to be using the Decide program. We're going to be using levels 1, 2 and 3 throughout, but this video tutorial is for level 1, Decide. Now the voiceover that you've just heard was the help within this software saying click on one of the pictures. Within level 1 of the Decide software we've got 4 different activities. Each are the same but with different objects. So the idea behind the activity is the same but the objects are different. Now if the children complete this activity, they'll be achieving the first outcome within the lesson plan, which is I can sort unique objects into appropriate groups. And what you want them to do is you can either work with them on the board to go through these 4 different activities, or you can present one and then ask the children to go to their computer and complete the rest. So I'm going to go through this bicycle activity. Just going to click on that. What we've got to do is we've got 4 different unique objects at the top, and it's all about making decisions, having a look at the data, the information or the pictures that we have on our screen, and filtering that information down by answering these questions here. So this is a very simple form of filtering data. The questions have got to be appropriate, and they've got to allow us to identify each of these individual objects. So this question is, related to this object, does it have a blue vest? We've got to look at this object, identify whether it has or hasn't got a blue vest, and answer yes or no accordingly. So does it have a blue vest? Yes. The next question is it long and thin? Now it's obviously referring to the skipping rope, because each object that appears with the yellow background is the one that it's referring to. So, is it long and thin? Yes. Does it have wheels? Now for this example, I'm just going to click on no and show you what happens. Does it have wheels? No. We've obviously got that question wrong, so we get a different noise and it moves on to the next question. Again, it's about the children identifying these objects, understanding the question and making a decision based on that question to filter this information or these pictures. Does it have legs? Yes. Again, it's the same question. Does it have wheels? We clicked on no before, so we'll just click on yes, because that must be the correct answer. Once you're finished, it says well done, and all of the 4 objects are at the bottom of the screen, so we know that we've completed that activity. Again, you could go through these different 4 activities on the board, or you could just go through 1 or maybe 2, and then get the children to go onto their computers and then access these activities themselves so that they achieve the first outcome. What they need to do once they've done one of the activities is press on this button up here. It's called the New button. Do you want to save? We don't necessarily need to save this work, we just need to ensure that we've assessed the child has completed this activity successfully. So do you want to save? I'm not going to. I can then move on to the different activities. So this is obviously the coins activity. It's obviously referring to the pound coin. Is it silver in colour? Yes or no. Let the children identify the object, read out the question, and then make a decision based on that question to filter the information. Is it silver? No. Is it the smallest? So this time they've got to look and refer to the other objects around it and make a decision based on that. Is it the smallest? Yes. Is it round? This is referring to the 50p piece. No. And does it have pictures of feathers? Yes, it does. So again, it's looking carefully at these pictures and making a decision on the question. And that's it for this activity. Work your way through the 4 different tasks, or get the children to go onto the computers and do it themselves.